Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ever wanted to play Clash Royale without squinting at your phone screen? Good news, playing on your computer offers a fantastic experience. You'll enjoy a much bigger display, making card details and arena action truly pop. Plus, using your keyboard and mouse can give you incredibly precise control, which is great for those intense battles. And no more worrying about your phone's battery dying, you can play for as long as you like. Before we dive in, let's make sure you have the basics covered. First, you'll need a PC with Windows 10 or a newer version installed. Next, a stable internet connection is crucial, both for downloading the game and for smooth, uninterrupted battles. And finally, you'll definitely need your Google account details ready. It's how you'll sign in and keep all your game progress safe. Okay, let's get the main software installed. Head over to the official Google Play Games website and download the beta installer for your PC. Once it's downloaded, just run the file and follow the very straightforward instructions that pop up on your screen. After the installation finishes, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. This links your gaming profile. With Google Play Games up and running, finding Clash Royale is super easy. Simply open the Google Play Games application directly from your desktop. Look for the search bar, usually at the top, and type in Clash Royale. Once you find it, just click the Install button. The application will handle the download and setup automatically, getting you ready to play in no time. You're all set to dominate the arena. Remember, if you use the same Google account as your mobile game, all your progress will automatically sync. Take a moment to check the in-game settings. You can often adjust graphics for smoother gameplay on your specific PC. Also, experiment with the keyboard controls. You might find a setup that really elevates your game, so go have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.